Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I have mixed up 4 ounces of resin. I let it get up to 95 degrees. It actually went up to 97 because it got hot quickly at the very end. I've decanted 0.8 of an ounce into this little cup, and I'm gonna put 3 drops of Julie's Bloom paste into here. I'm just gonna let, oh, it looks like I got a bubble. 1, 2, 3. All right, 3 tiny drops. That off. Put that down in there. Let me just wipe off that pigment paste loves to stick to stuff. So that's what my paste looks like. All right, I have a piping bag just off to the side here. I'm gonna dump that in here. That is done. I am going to put Brea Reese alcohol inks in Rose and in Berry. And I think I'm gonna put, what am I gonna do? I think I'm going to do, let's do the dark in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And then okay, so now I'm taking my bag, winding it up. I'm gonna snip off maybe that much. I've got about that much coming out. All right, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and do like a chain pull petal. Who knows if that'll work? If I could get a little one in here. Definitely have to pop that bubble. And let's spread these out. Try and avoid the blobs. Okay, and my center, my center's kind of gone a little wonky. I'm gonna grab this. And there it is. Here is a still shot of it about 5-10 minutes into the curing process, and you can see how it is starting to bloom. Now, unfortunately, I did lose my video of the unmolding, so here is the final piece. It was a little bit blobby in areas, but overall, I really liked it. Tell me what you think. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up notification, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.